Hello. I'm going to show you how not to cut your fingers off replacing your riding lawnmower blades. And don't bang yourself up at the same time. You got to get you some BB Buster. Spray that on your nuts. And it don't work too good on them, but anyway, you have to get you a cheater bar and lock down the blade, and then it'll come loose. That's working better now. Oh, I just took my nuts off on camera. Look at there, red squirrel. I took my nuts off. Oh, Lord. Man. Oh, my God. Okay. Got the new one to go on. Old versus new. Look at there. Same size. Got a star in there. It's got to go in there just right. Just spray it down again. I like spraying my nuts with oil. Anybody else ever had to spray your nuts with oil? Makes them feel so much better. Ooh, that nut. I'm gonna get high off the spray here. Ooh, that's a nice tight nut. That's as tight as I can like it now. Man, it's close. I doubt this damn thing's gonna run after I get it on there. God, that gas is strong. Let's see here. Let's lock this bad boy down again. Ow. That's what you want to avoid. You heard that? I got popped, got pinched. Goodness gracious. Takes a lot to tighten your nuts back up. Sure does. That didn't feel good at all. Okay. No more nut oil. Okay. What the hell that's going to do? See, this when you need a good friend to come over and help you. But I don't have any of those no more. I've got a beautiful wife, but she just got off work. There we go. What was that comedian that used to call it the Wampamatic, the Gallagher? Yeah. Well, if it didn't go off the all right. Well, if it didn't bend it that time. Never mind. we go. Always more than one way to get your nuts off. Y'all have a good day. I'm all hot and sweaty for playing with my nuts. Forgive me, Lord.